We're going to make goo with laundry detergent and bowl and baggie. Okay, so let's get started. Okay. Start by pouring a quarter of a cup Dutch. We're just going to stir it around. I'm just going to keep stirring that, and you can keep adding glue if you would like, and a little bit of more detergent. Okay, and some more glue. Okay, now just keep on stirring this, and just keep stirring it, and once you think it's stirred enough, you can put it on there, but ours isn't, so we're just going to continue to get our last bits of glue out. And now I'm just going to stir up my last little bits. And wait for it to dry. And there I have my glue.
Goo. Fun to play with, not to eat.